Hey y'all, it's me Jabari. So, welcome to my 2026 to 2027 EAS schedule. There's one thing I need to say before I get started. Sorry for not making Biggest Multiverse Alliance EXE episode 1 the beginning yesterday because I was focusing in school and I had to take a nap. Now, second, I was busy in school. Third, I was chatting my friends at school. Y'all will be listening for my upcoming EAS schedule and my upcoming videos. So, let's start this shit. So, as you can see, there is a lot of EAS schedule for this year. So sorry I didn't make chapter 2 because episode 1 will be my chapter 2 EAS content. I'm gonna tell you what the EAS schedule means. So episode 1 weekends, but it won't release till Sunday because I was asleep yesterday. I had to sleep yesterday. Episode 2 in September 6th, run time 30 minutes. Episode 3, 15. It will be 36 minutes long. Episode 2 is Biggest Multiverse Alliance EAS episode 2. No, wait, no, let me think. The Killing Spree. Episode 3. I think is episode 3 will be the nightmare. The nightmare begins. North Korea attack is on September 23 remastered. The reason why it's not up there because back in 2024, my online brother named Justin, the creator of 2K11, old channel got terminated. I don't know why it got terminated. Kumbo, September 30th. Kumbo will release because North Korea attack will be an hour and 57 minutes. Kumbo will be an hour and 30 minutes. Pixel will be 2 hours and 25 minutes. Episode 4 will be my fall break. So episode 4 will be the rampage. The rampage the rampage got worse. Episode 5, Biggest Multiverse Alliance versus United States EXE. Halloween Massacre. October 31st is a show about Siren Head, Sandy Bar, Springtrap, Pennywise, Fred Kudo, Jason Voorhees. This will be my Halloween special, run time 45 minutes. Episode 6, November 11. It will be my Veterans Day special. Episode 7. This will be my Thanksgiving special level. Running time 45 minutes. Because with the turkeys, because my EXE clone has summoned the turkey hunter to kill our people. Episode 8, December 18. The skull damage has become. Episode 9, December 21st. This will be my Christmas special. Paw Patrol, January 3rd. When the characters comes to the real world and to destroy and to arrest and kill people. Episode 10, January 6th. When I get out to school. Blaze and the Mob Machine, January 9. Over 55 minutes. Episode 10 will be an hour and 5 minutes. Episode 11 in January 18. It'll be my Martin Luther King Day, like my Martin Luther King Day special. Episode 11. It's the thing where episode 12, January 31st. Biggest multiverse alliance. .exe. See. It has created a rope giant robot to destroy people. February 13th, February 16th. Destruction of the world. 14 will be the first day of spring break. That's on the episode 14. We got spring break. Runtime 2 hour and 12 minutes. 15 of every 19, we have Paw Patrol, Blaze and Munching, Bubble Gubbies, Rainbow Rangers, and PJ Masks, Yo Gabba Gabba, and Yo Gabba Gabba comes. Episode 15. Third change 16 to April 19 because I keep forgetting. There will be more upcoming Biggest Multiverse Alliance.exe episode will be coming till summer of 2027. The season will be Season 1, Episode 1 through 9, Season 2, 10 through 35, and then Season 3, 36 through 78. So, forgot to mention that August 31st, the national anthem for my EAS, for our upcoming EAS scenario, will come tomorrow. Will come Saturday. Oh shoot! I forgot to mention that Bowser Minions Attack will come till November 19. The World EXE will come until November 15. So that's all. That's all for the video. This is Jabari signing off. Peace out, everyone. And one thing about this video, I'm sorry for not making any ES in there for the past 1 month. The only thing I re-uploaded is Biggest Multiverse Alliance Episode 1, the old version. But Biggest Multiverse Alliance, the series, the rewrite series is coming till Sunday. I'll see y'all later. Peace out, everyone.